What's going on, guys? It's Roy with Papaw's Pasture RC Park. Today we're going to be turning this and this into this. Alright guys, so this is half of the rock feature of Papaw's gate. This is more of like a modified class 2, class 3 setup. And I say that because now I'm just running a TRX4, but if we remove this one and that step up, then there's little stuff to grab onto without this stuff here, you know, and it's definitely going to make it more challenging. And that was the goal of here. I put those blocks in just to get a run in and kind of see where the hang-ups were. And the way I see it is if my front bumper hangs, well then that means no bumper, should barely miss it and make it more challenging. So this is that half, and now we're going to do a log feature into a platform and a transfer down for a hard class 1, moderate class 2 setup. Let's keep it going. Alright guys, so we are about halfway done with the build. We have our rock side. This is our pallet platform right here. Got some different thicknesses of wood. So right here, one of these sides is just going to be flat, you know, just incline up, across, incline down. That's going to be for our novice, younger kids, class 1 newbies. And then this side over here, we're going to on this side of the pallet, I want to, whether it's going to be with 2 boards or 2 trees, if I can find them small enough, and we're going to split them to where each tire has to be on one side coming up, and then on the downside, you know, we'll probably do the same thing, and we'll probably put some offset little camber wedges on it. So basically we have a you know, novice, intermediate, expert type situation. Then we're going to be coming down off of here. Obviously we'll make our platforms go down, and then where we go from there, guys, I think it's going to be up to you. Good job, buddy. All right, this is where we're at so far on Papaw's gate. So I cut down a pine. Well, it was already laying, but I used that. So we got a rail system here coming up, going on top of this platform, and then we'll have another rail system going off the back side. Over here, it's just going to be an easy ramp, no issues. And what I may do, let me know. I'm thinking about putting some small raises on here to make it a little bit harder. We'll see. Oh, almost made it, buddy. Alright guys, I finished this first obstacle here. I went ahead and added a nice easy bridge with some wood planks. Over here is where we're going to have our dual rail ride. Come up, got it a little offset over here. Come down, and then obviously over here we got our little rock crawl going on. Now once we come this way, now we can shoot it. We got all this area to go. Alright guys, let me know what y'all want to see built. Let's get creative, have some fun, and yeah, we'll go from there. Alright, huge reminder guys. Comment what you want to see built next. Most likes gets built next. Then after an obstacle goes, what we're going to do is I want y'all to name it, right? We can come up with a theme for this build, but I want y'all's input on names for the obstacle, and we're going to put a sign next to it, and that way everybody knows what it's called. So do me a favor guys, like, share, subscribe, and most importantly comment and keep me going. I need it. I appreciate y'all.